Hey guys, what is going on? What's going on? Street Trading here with our weekly trade recap video. Wrapping up a solid week in the markets. Obviously, you can see, first of all, we're looking at a 15-minute chart SPY. Obviously, you can see the boys have been playing some games, pretty much stuck in this 20-plus point channel from the 14,419 down to 404 and change, back up. So back up, back down, zone to zone, level to level. Obviously, you saw that significant reversal off of Wednesday's lows into the close of a Friday session. Well, not really into the close of Friday session, but you had that gap up in Friday's pre-market. Then we definitely had a little bit of a sell-off in that session. But it's Friday, volatile day. You see all that stuff. But I mean, on a technical standpoint, you see what's cooking. You see what's forming. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to see what the boys are trying to do. We'll talk a little bit more detail as far as our analysis with it. But you can definitely, whenever you take a step back, whether you're active intraday traders, longer term swing traders, longer term investors, whatever it is you do, you always want to have a long term view, right? Even if you are a scalper, you always want to have a long term view because it'll give you a little more conviction, a little more confidence in your trade direction, right? So anyway, always wanted big picture things. That's why we talk about SPY every single day. It's a benchmark, obviously, for the market. So, even if we have plenty of all of our positions are shorts, it doesn't matter if the market's pushing higher. It's irrelevant, but it's a benchmark to take into keep in your back pocket to understand, should I get involved? Should I risk here? What's SPY doing? Where SPY's run? If SPY is running to key levels of rejection, are we looking at a pivot? I mean, there's things that you want to kind of couple with your positions. With the overall market direction, right? So that's what we always talk about. But it was a really good week in the markets with us. We had a couple of our weeklies just paid very, very nicely. We actually got a couple that we're gonna probably extend till next week, but we're gonna get into that in another video. But definitely solid week overall. Spoke to a bunch of our members, and we all had a pretty solid week, so very, very happy with that. Let's get our weekly recap is not very big this week. We didn't trade a whole lot. We put up a couple trade lesson videos already, but we're gonna go over some of them we already put up and some extra ones we didn't. But some key information that we want to kind of go over that we obviously saw in the market, and we see that something is kind of brewing, right? So we want to talk a little bit more details with that for today's video. All right. So again, solid week. Very, very proud of all you guys. Did a very, very solid job in the market. A lot of new guys are managing the emotions very, very well, and that's what it's all about, guys. I mean, because it's not just about technical and fundamental trading, guys. I mean, teach a monkey that. It's the emotional side, it's the psychological aspect of the business. You guys know that. So very proud of many of you guys, right? So anyway, let's get into what we were trading for this week. Some lessons for us, some levels. Let's just talk some business, guys. All right, let's get down to business.